What is your profession? It's singing, 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 singing.
And what is your name? I am Marcigara. My life is singing.
What is your profession? It's singing, 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 singing.
And what is your name? I am Little Joe Cigara. My life is singing, babe.
I compose, I propose a special chord. I tune the viola, I make life really cool.
When they think I've stopped or that I'm a flying band, I'm actually researching superior music.
Many think it's just a party, but this is my job, and I work with love. What is your profession? It's singing, 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 singing. And what is your name? I am Little Joe Cigara. My life is singing. What is your profession? It's singing, 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 singing. And what is your name? I am Mary Cigara. My life is singing. What is your profession? It's singing, 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 singing.
And what is your name? I am Marcigara.